What's up guys, this is Josh at Karran. Today we're going to go over our QDF disposal flange cover and how to install it. It fits most 3.5-inch stainless steel garbage disposal flanges. It comes in 6 colors to match your Karran quartz sink, and it's solid ABS plastic so the finish won't peel and flake off. The install is pretty straightforward. You want to make sure your stainless steel garbage disposal flange is clean of any debris. When you go to install the QDF, you don't need to apply silicone to the bottom. The rubber washer does a good job of keeping it in place. When you go to press the QDF in, it might take some force. If it's too difficult, you can add water to the rubber washer and that'll help it slide down. To help minimize any pooling around the edge, you want to press it down until it's seated properly. The strainer can be pushed down if you wanted to fill your sink with water, or opened up to let water and small food particles through, or you could leave it out to let larger food particles go down to the garbage disposal. The QDF helps add the finishing touches to any Karran quartz sink.